Hi, welcome to Peachy Zashi. I changed the channel name so that it matches my Instagram. Today I'm a medium because there's a spirit or something in my house. My bathroom and my closet feel weird for whatever reason whenever I'm close by, so I'm doing a tarot reading. Specifically, my bathroom has this weird draft when I am at the sink, and the closet door keeps closing. So let's get started. If there's someone here, hello. And if there is someone here, who are you? Okay, so Six of Cups is maybe a mom or a child, maybe. So maybe it's someone who wants me to be happy with, I don't know, children. Let's ask if they're a mom or if they're a child. Are you... Okay, so I got the Sun. And the Sun card usually means that they're like a maternal spirit. They're someone who's concerned maybe about my family life. Maybe they're concerned about my relationship. So maybe they're kind of like a spirit guide. What do you want? Okay, I got the Eight of Swords. So if you get the Eight of Swords, it means that this person might feel trapped. Someone who feels trapped in the space that they're in. Maybe they feel trapped in this apartment or in this building. So we have someone who feels trapped here. Let's ask, what can I do to help you? Okay, I got the Ten of Wands. So this tells me that the spirit perhaps is wanting someone to relieve them of their burden. I haven't seen this card in quite a while because it represents like a huge amount of emotional or physical burden. As you can see, they're moving towards empty space. It's actually kind of a cunning card. If I do this favor for you, then you'll do this favor for me. So I don't really like this card at all. I take it kind of like this person wants to do trade, which I don't think is fair since this is my home. I don't think I should do a huge amount of work to have some peace. So I'm going to ask a question. What is the outcome of our relationship as it stands right now? And I got the Page of Coins. So the Page of Coins means that there is some sort of understanding that could come from this, like an understanding, maybe like some kind of superficial friendship. I'm honestly kind of confused about this Page of Coins. If you have any suggestions as to what this means, please let me know. So I can't be your friend, spirit, but I can acknowledge you unless you're mischievous. Then you have to leave. How many spirits are here? King of Swords tells me that there's like one spirit here. Perhaps they feel like they own the place because it is the king figure. Like they take control of this apartment with authority. And the sword tells me that they want to keep that authority. Let's ask this person, because now we know it's a maternal figure and only one. Let's ask what their intentions are with us. Okay, I got the Three of Swords. So this spirit or whatever wants to betray me. That's why I don't trust this spirit at all, because of this sketchy card. Spirit wants to It seems like they want to intrude on my personal relationships, and they want to like mess up my 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 headspace or whatever. And like, yeah, this is not good. And what the, I just got the 8 of Cups from shuffling, and that is so weird. 8 of Cups is like super bad for relationships. Like, they are sending seriously bad vibes. So how can we coexist? Okay, wow, 10 of Wands again. This spirit really, really wants a favor from me, which is super creepy. Like, they really are trying to get this card out of the deck and this message into the world, which is like, I really will not do this favor for you, okay? They really want that favor, and I really do not want to do them that favor. So I'm going to end it here. Thank you for answering all of my questions, spirits, but you may now leave. I'm going to stop reading tarot cards today. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, leave a comment. If you're interested in a tarot reading or in asking questions, please feel free to do so. I am considering doing a Periscope where I answer tarot reading questions. So just leave a comment below, as long as they're not related to the spirits in your house, because I probably don't think I will be doing this again. Future content on this channel will probably not be related to ghosts or anything like that. It's just that I just needed to address the specific issue in my house.